Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's Elite 14-foot frame pool with pump and Qualco 5-pound chlorinating tab kit. Get ready to have the coolest backyard on the block with the Summer Wave's Elite 14-foot frame pool. This pool set has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. Includes filter pump, Type D filter cartridge, repair patch, ladder, and 5-pound chlorinating tab kit. Easy to use 3-inch chlorine tablets dissolve slowly but work fast and effectively to keep your pool clean. Product benefits: rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame stands up to heavy use. Constructed of triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.